How to uninstall or delete apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then look for the app that you want to uninstall. Now touch and hold on that app. From the pop-up, tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK. And that app will be removed from your phone. Now another way to do it is swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. In the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on apps. And from here, go down and open up the app that you want to remove. So for example, I can choose to remove this IV cam. So open that one up and then tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK, and that will remove the app from the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.